Yo, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So this video, we're going to react to JM De La Serna's cover performance ng This Is The Moment sa Polaris. Okay, so nag-react ako kay Mariel Montellano, pero Atikra. So it was her cover of the song, a Bisaya song from few years ago, nung siya ay isang solo contestant pa sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. So this time, marami ding nag-request sa akin ito. This Is The Moment na cover performance ni JM De La Serna. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And please make sure na nakafollow kayo sa akong Facebook page, David Lanyas, and on Instagram, RealDavid_29. Okay, so let's begin. Ito pa, malakasan tong kantang to eh. Kinakanta talaga to sa mga singing competitions. Oh? Haha. Galing ng diction ni ano. Basic. Grabe. I love his diction. Ito talaga yung ano eh, pinaka-importante no sa isang singer, and I think na he got this because sa kanyang background sa choir, no, sa isang choral group. Kasi ako marami akong kakilala, no, mga churchmates na yung background talaga, yung orientation nila, fundamentals nakuha nila sa pagiging choir o choral sa university. So, every time they sing solo, talaga yung diction nila, yung clarity, it's really clear. Ayan o, mga prolonged notes ba? Ha, galing nun. Pero bakit mahina yung microphone ng konti, no? This is the moment. Winning song to eh. When all the dreaming, screaming and screaming become one. This is the moment. See it sparkle and shine. When all I live for becomes mine. Basic. Face the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I've made it on my own. This is the moment. Nice. Let's go, let's go. Destiny beckoned, I never reckon second best. Wala namang challenge eh. Pansit na pansit. I won't look down. I must not fall. This is the moment, the sweetest moment. Oh, key change. This is the moment. Ang galing, man. Nice. Moment for moment, this was the moment, the greatest moment. Oh, the moment. Isa pa. Basic. Binasic tayo ni JM par. That was a very I should say it was not that at first lang chill, very lang siya talaga. Simple. Pag pinakinggan mo siya, simple lang yung pagka-deliver niya, the diction, talaga, the clarity of his pronunciation. I really commend that one talaga, ang galing. Pero nung sa dynamics, pataas na ng pataas, no? And I love it kasi, chill yung intro, pero andun yung makikita mo yung dynamics, paakyat, no? And he really ended it with a bang, a wow factor, no? And it was powerful. Boses talaga niya, man. And nakaupo lang yan, tawag dun? Nakaganon yung paa. Crossfit. Crossfit. Basta yun. So, gabi. Powerful vocals. And, kung makikita mo siya, hindi naman siya nagsastruggle, no? Parang andun yung gana niya, no? Ganang-gana siya sa pagkanta. And, he's indeed a great vocalist, no? Hindi lang performer, hindi lang singer. Pero pag sinabing vocalist talaga, yung vocals siya, it has a different skill set, no? Meron talaga siyang unique na skill set na pwede niyang ipagmalaki sa atin, no? So that's JM De La Serna's This Is The Moment cover. So hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.